Hey everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in on you. Before I get started, I want to remind you about our ongoing fundraiser for Black Men Lead. The link is in the description box if you're familiar with the work we do with young black males ages 4 to 30. And you are aware of the importance of that work in so many different areas, from reducing violence, African American adolescent and young adult male violence, to reducing intimate partner violence and intimate partner homicide, to reducing the dropout rate, reducing incarceration, and ultimately raising the standard of living in our communities. Definitely go ahead, click that link and show some love. To all of you that have supported me over the years, and I'm not just talking about financially, I'm talking about sharing love and giving input and being a part of the solution and everything else. I just want to say thank you. I'm going to, over the next couple of weeks, be very transparent with you. I'm going through an extremely difficult time in my life right now. I'm not quite ready to talk about it because it's real fresh and I'm still processing it, and yet I'm still required to wake up every day and answer the bell. There are too many people who depend on me. There's too much to be done to let this fold me up, but this is a hard one. But just keep me lifted. But I want to talk to you about the importance of creating the space for black men and black women alike to have bad moments, to need help. And it's really prevalent for black men because there are too many of us who feel like asking for help or saying something wrong is in somehow an admission of weakness. And we sit there and we suffer in silence. We suffer alone. And it wears at us. It tears us down. It diminishes our capacity to function in a way that is effective. I want to encourage everyone to find a space that you can go to, find a partner, someone you can talk to. We are creating these spaces at the Odyssey Project. For black men, it's going to be through Black Men Lead, and we'll have programs for black women as well. I do as much as I can as an individual to help as many people as I can. But what I want you to do is understand that we are dealing with a crisis in our communities. I can't stress that enough. We are at a place where the suicide rate is up, suicidal ideations is up, depression is up, and also other forms of expressing these frustrations, such as violence, is on a rise as if we didn't have enough. There's so much going on, and it's our responsibility to take care of these issues and to confront these issues, and we're doing the best we can at the Odyssey Project. Again, we definitely appreciate any support that you can give us so that we have the resources to facilitate programs and to offer resources and responsive mechanisms to the people who are in need of them. On a daily basis, I'm getting people who are coming to me who are going through for all different types of reasons, and there needs to be services available to them. And I think that it's important that we do this. I don't think that it should be withheld for only those who have the means, I think that we really and truly need to start looking at how we can create these spaces and these programs and these resources. This is me challenging you. This is me calling you out. This is me saying it's time to do more. On that note, look, I'm going to get off of here. Again, we really would appreciate your support. Thank you in advance. The link is in the description box if you want to give via Cash App. You can also do that. The Cash App handle for the organization is in the description box. On that note, I'm going to check out and finish running errands. You guys have a great day.